Had lots of tears today and just really wanted to remain as present as possible with myself through the emotions I was feeling today, but that's not stopping me. Today is day number 6 of the sticky note movement, and today's sticky note reads, "The actions that I take today are creating a compound effect for a positive result tomorrow. Breathe, right? Meow." I believe. Let's go find this lucky number, day 6 car. I'm going to be easy on myself and just make it one of these cars right here. God bless. I love you.